Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics out there, how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just getting started, this video is packed with insight and strategies that will help you navigate the ever-changing crypto landscape and boost your profits. So let's get right into it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest crypto investing tips and tutorials. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving faster than ever. In 2024, staying ahead of the game means understanding the latest trends and innovation in the market. Blockchain technology continues to be the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it also drives new opportunities with decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token NFTs. To truly succeed, you have to understand and spot the new narrative that are shaping the market. This year, watch for liquid restaking tokens and liquid staking derivatives, which offers innovative way to earn passive income. Blockchain modularity and the growing popularity of layer 1 and layer 2 solutions like optimistic rollups and zero knowledge rollups are also critical narrative to follow. Additionally, the rise of BRC20 tokens deepens decentralized physical infrastructure networks, and decentralized science and GambleFi are all opening new avenues for investors. Now let's talk strategy. With the market as volatile as it is, having a solid plan is crucial in 2024. Long-term cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum remains a strong strategy, but for those willing to take on a bit more risk, exploring promising altcoins could offer significant returns. Be sure to watch for emerging technologies like Ethereum restaking, which allow for securing other networks and earning additional rewards. Also keep an eye on new narratives like DePIN and DeSci that are transforming industries by leveraging decentralized networks to power real-world infrastructure and scientific research. Leveraging DeFi for passive income, one of the most exciting areas of the crypto right now is decentralized finance or DeFi. This emerging sector allows you to earn passive income through methods like staking, lending, and yield farming. Platforms like Aave and Compound offer opportunities to lock up your assets and earn interest over time. It's a great way to let your crypto work for you while you sleep. Liquid staking derivatives take this a step further by allowing you to continue earning reward while maintaining liquidity. The power of NFTs, the Metaverse, and GambleFi are another game changer while they gained popularity for digital art and collectibles. Their potential goes far beyond that. In 2024, NFTs are opening new revenue stream in gaming, real estate, and intellectual property. The Metaverse too is expanding rapidly, with forecasts predicting the industry could be worth over 800 billion by the end of 2024. Meanwhile, GambleFi is transforming the crypto and casino industry by offering decentralized platform to users to gamble using crypto. This immense digital space offers unique opportunities to monetize experience and engage with community in ways never seen before. Managing risk and protecting your investment, of course. With great opportunities come great risks. The crypto market is known for its volatility, so managing that risk is key. Always have a plan for both bull and bear markets, set stop losses, regularly review your portfolio, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. And most importantly, protect your assets with secure wallets and two-factor authentication. And there you have it. These are just few of the best strategies to make money with crypto in 2024. Remember, staying informed and adapting to the latest trend like liquid restaking tokens, modularity, layer 2s, DeSci, and GambleFi can be your key to success in the space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are looking to level up their crypto game, and make sure to subscribe for more expert content in crypto investing, trading strategies, and financial education. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.